It is with deep gratitude and humility that I am here before you today as the recipient of the Icon of Change Award. I'm Dr. Victoria Diezmo-Marbibi, a family and occupational medicine physician. But beyond the title, I'm someone whose heart has always been anchored in service to individuals, to families, to co-workers, and to the community. My journey began as a young doctor, full of hope and driven by simple desire to help people heal. But the more I practiced, the more I realized that true healing doesn't begin in hospitals or clinics. It begins where people live, work, and raise their children. It begins in prevention, education, and above all, trust. Nowhere is this more evident than in the vital fields of vaccination and healthcare innovation. We've all seen how vaccines, some centuries old in concept and during the pandemic, continue to transform public health. But the true challenge isn't just scientific, it's social. It's about bridging the gap between innovation and access, and between breakthrough and belief. In my years of practice, I've witnessed both the triumphs and struggles of our communities, especially in recent years through pandemics, disasters, and uncertainty. We've seen how fragile our systems can be, but we've all seen how resilient we can become when we choose to innovate not just for advancement, but for equity, compassion, ethics, and connection. To become an icon of change is not about having all the answers. It's about having the courage to ask the right questions. How do we serve better? How do we reach further? And how do we innovate not just for the future, but for the people who need it now? Let us continue to push boundaries together, especially today as we celebrate World Immunization Week 2025 with a powerful theme, Immunization for All is Humanly Possible. Let us all remember that it is the fundamental right of every individual, regardless of age, to be protected from preventable diseases through immunization. Thus, I dedicate this recognition to every frontliner, every public servant, every volunteer, and every parent who said yes to science, yes to protection, and yes to a healthier future. Because yes, we can do it. With this, I thank you.